So, happy 4th of July, bitch. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, TwoExtraness. If you guys are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Blia, also known as Yanchanong. Today, I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. So it was requested by one of our subscribers. So this is just a very quick and easy eyebrow tutorial. So beginners, it's great for you guys too. If you guys have any questions on the products that I'm using, or if you guys have any recommendations for me, I will definitely appreciate it. You guys are welcome to comment them down below. And so if you guys are interested in how I achieve my eyebrows today, go ahead and stay tuned. Bye. All right guys, so let's get started here. I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyebrows. And so as you guys can see, eyebrows are very important, okay? I don't really have eyebrows. When I was younger, you know, that cholo look, it was really in style, and my eyebrows just kind of never grew back, which is kind of sad. But anyways, don't worry about it. You can always fake it till you make it, all right? So let's get started. What I like to do first is I've already prepped my face, and so I had washed it already. I toned it, and then I already put moisturizer on my face. So the next step that I do like to do is I like to use the Morphe eyelid primer, and I use it on my eyebrows as well as my eyelids. So let's go. And if this step is not for you, don't worry about it. You ain't gotta do it. So just dab a little bit on your finger and then blend. And just make sure that you get it all over your eyelids, inner corner of your eyes, outer corner, eyebrows, and then you're good to go. All right, so let's recap. The first thing, put on eyelid primer. And then my second step, what I like to do is I like to comb whatever eyebrow hair that I do have. And by doing so, you're kind of shaping out your eyebrows already. And you can do this with a spoolie, do this with the back of your eyebrow pencil, and just kind of do it like this. I'm using a mirror because I am blind as. All right. I mean, you guys probably couldn't tell the difference, but you know what? I could. That's what matters, okay? All right. So the product that I'm using that I fell in love with, I mean, this is only, I want to say it was like $6 or $7. It is the E.L.F. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. If you need a dupe for Anastasia, I want to say this is the best. I used to purchase the Anastasia pencil like once a month. That's like $20. That's like, I don't know, a freaking bell. And then my bestie coworker Elizabeth bought me this E.L.F. one to try out, and girl, I am hooked. So the color that I have is Taupe or something. They ran out of the brown, and so I was like, let me just try this out. So it's not too bad. So the first thing, what I usually do is I like to trace, or what you can say is outline my eyebrows, like so. And the rule of thumb is, if you're new to doing your eyebrows, you can use like a triangle. So from your nose, this is how far you want your eyebrows to be. And then you can kind of do like an angle, and that is how, or where your little arch can, you know, begin. And then you can do another kind of line here, and this is where your eyebrow should end. So if that makes sense. So 1, 2, 3. Got it? All right, so my eyebrows already coming along, so I kind of just trace it up there, kind of same rule of thumb. 1, 2, 3, and you can make it as thick as you want, as thin as you want. This is the kind of size that I normally do it. And pray for me, sisters. I hope that today is a good eyebrow day. Okay, it's all right, you know. I swear this eyebrow over here always be fighting with me. All right, so normally I will use like my eyeshadow palette, but I love this pencil so much, I just do the whole thing. So I start off in the middle. Well, not really middle, but I guess you can say the beginning, but not the beginning. You know, the middle of the middle. Who knows? So I just color it in, like so. And then just gently work your way, so don't have a heavy hand. I mean, I really have a heavy hand, but try not to have a heavy hand. Just kind of gradually work your way through and build. That is the key here, okay? Build, build, build. Get a little closer so you guys can see. All right, so now you want to just lightly do the beginning of your eyebrows, like so. All right. And then after I do this one, I will comb it out, brush it out, and do my little concealer. So what are you guys doing for July 4th? I know this quarantine thing sucks, but hopefully you guys are safe. You guys spend time with your loved ones. Just be safe, you know. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. Wash your body, take a shower. I crack myself up. Wash everything, okay? I'm doing the same thing I did on the other side, making sure my eyebrows are twins and not cousins. All right. What do you guys think? This one is like a long lost damn cousin, I swear. But anyways, you know what? Let's just brush it out and we'll conceal it. So I'm kind of just blending the front so it doesn't look too harsh. And then just comb it again. Brush, brush, brush. And then brush, brush, brush. All right, y'all must have prayed for me real hard because today is a good eyebrow day for me. And now what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to take my NYX HD Concealer, and you're just gonna grab like a flat brush or an angle brush, whatever brush you're comfortable with. Ew, I need to clean my brushes. Oh my gosh, that was nasty. I'm a busy woman, so please excuse me. All right. So So you're just gonna wanna use your concealer, dab a little bit on your brush. And then now you're gonna do another outline. So you're gonna really want to bring out the eyebrow. Give it some shape, some definition, some personality, a name, you name it. All right. And if you mess up, you know what? It's cool, it's okay. Practice, 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 y'all. Does not matter. All right, do you see the difference from this and this? This one's coming alive. I just like to blend it out with my finger. You can blend it out with your brush if you choose to do so. But here's how it looks with the concealer. And now just gonna do the top. And then easy breezy, beautiful eyebrows. So just going with the shape here, you don't want to do too much concealing, but let me kind of fix it. It looks kind of funny. Like a little too fat at the end. I don't really like the end, so I'm gonna kind of help it. Oh shoot. So today I'm gonna go hang out with my familia. We're just gonna chill, eat, and of course, fire up some fireworks. All right, that kind of looks the same. You know what? I don't want to mess it up, so I'm just gonna. I don't want to mess it up, so I'm gonna just kind of use the pencil again, gradually do the ends. Like so. Time to do the next eyebrow. And then we'll be done. Oh, that looks kind of funny. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me put my 2 cents in it. This side is my best friend. No matter what, it's always a good day for this side. All right. So I'm gonna kind of just fix it a little bit, fix the end of it, like so. Give it a little more pointier side, angle, whatever you call it. And then you can always just go over it, okay? To make it a little darker, a little more defined. Up to you, boo-boo. And wasn't that easy, guys? Now I'm just gonna kind of look at my, what do you call it? You know, that thing. I'm gonna look at that. And I'm going to just fix it a little bit and make sure that it's aligned, it looks good, and that one is not higher than the other. You can just kind of draw a line right across your little nose bridge, and so that it matches. And then you know what you do? You blend it out. Don't forget to blend, because then you're gonna look like you have a unibrow. All right, wasn't that easy? I mean, this had to be like the best eyebrow day for me, and it was super easy for me to just record. All right, I kind of don't like this, so. Okay. Wow. So go ahead and stay tuned. I'm gonna finish my face and then I will get back to you guys. And like I said, don't forget the last step. I made a video about it. So just because you're done, you know, doing your eyebrows, putting it on, tracing it on, the last thing that I do like to do after I'm done like putting my full face on is setting your eyebrows. Don't forget to set your eyebrows, because it really will just basically last the whole day. Okay, so if you guys don't know how to set your eyebrows, go ahead and check it out on our YouTube channel and our little EXXTRAness beauty playlist. Okay, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in with us today. I hope you guys enjoy the eyebrow tutorial. If you guys have any questions or any even recommendations for me, go ahead and put them in the comments below, and I would definitely appreciate it. If you guys are new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like if you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, feel free to write them in the comment below. And as always, guys, stay extra.